Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about a component of your blog that is kind of secondary to the blog itself. I'm talking about the comments section. Now, a lot of people, when they're starting out, wonder whether to allow comments on their blogs. In most cases, I strongly recommend it because your comments section is where you are going to interact with your audience. An issue that bloggers may face is nasty comments. I've grappled with this many times as a blogger, and now I'm running into it on my other YouTube channel where I talk about a lot of controversial things. Something that a lot of bloggers ask me is this: if I get a comment that is mean or inflammatory, what should I do with it? Do I leave it? Do I delete it? Do I respond to it? And some comments can be over the top. I've received comments that have been shocking in the hate that they have conveyed. The general rules that I use when it comes to comments are as follows. I respond to every comment, even if it's just to thank the person for taking the time to read the blog post and comment on it. If the comment attacks me in some way, I keep my response as brief as I can, and I never resort to name-calling or insults. There are only two circumstances in which I might, and that's a big might, delete a comment. First, if it is discriminatory or potentially harmful to a group of people. What I do in that case is seek guidance from someone I have a relationship of trust with in the community that has been targeted. Sometimes they will advise me to remove the comment, but more often they will suggest a response. And second, if the comment promotes misinformation that can cause harm, depending on the situation, I will either delete it or respond to it with better information. The comment section can be a minefield, but if you navigate it well, it can be a great tool for building an audience for your blog. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.